morning, everybody. I know everyone is like familiar with me. My name is Saurabh Pandit. I'm from Vaishali, Bihar. So I have completed my bachelor's from UEM Kolkata. From there only I got placed. Not exactly placed, but like almost done. But due to my health condition, I was not able to sit for the interview and further processing. But from there, like it was very tough moment to come here. But still, I have taken this risk. I joined this Swiss Spider Kolkata in the month of like June 2024. Yeah. That time I was very nervous, very confused. I was totally hopeless. Why? Because my technical skills were not good. My confidence was not there. Like my communication skills are now also not good, but that time it was very tough. And even I was like little bit confused which course I should pursue. So from that day, like Sneers has helped me a lot. He guided me. He has like given me a chance. Hey, Appa, you can clear. Every interview you can clear. You just dedicate. You can like you have the willpower. Like you have that much potential, right? So from day one, I was like following him only, and now also. Whatever he told, I'm just following. No matter, doesn't matter what he is telling. Right? No question at all. So from there, I started my journey. Next, from there, I started learning like, very technical skills. Like first, I started with the HTML, then completed my SQL, then manual testing, then core Java. Little bit, I have also completed with automation. So today, what I am trying to say, it is not a easy job, right? And to crack this interview, bootcamp session helped me a lot. I do regularly presentation. Most of them are familiar with me, how I am going to present the things a lot. So like that, I present the things in the interview also. It helped me a lot. I also suggest you do regular bootcamp and do presentation daily because it helped me a lot to improve my communication skills. It helped me a lot to improve my confidence. So I am very much thankful to this institute and all the trainers, all the like HR man, all the counselor men, all the trackers. Especially thank you to SKR sir, Sagar sir, Niranjan sir, Shubham sir, Sachin sir, Vishwaraj sir. Every trainer like he is doing, they all are doing great. Right? They are like intention is very much clear to help all others, right? All people. So at last, I'm trying to like say it is not an easy journey, right? Everybody has its own time. Your time will also come, right? So wait till that moment. Do hard work, right? And believe in yourself. That will definitely work, right? So that's all. I hope you
He was waiting for this opportunity for many days and he got this chance in one shot only clear because I have too much confidence. He can replace me. If I am not there, if I ask him to go teach, he will teach. The Xerox.